Can you guess where I am? I'm here at Citizens Turning of Excellence Centre in Brierley Hill, and we're going to find out why you should visit their open house. They will have 10 machines under power, all with live cutting demonstrations, showcasing something for everybody. There'll even be some brand new machines you've never seen before. And if you've managed to get through all of this amazing technology, there will be some MasterChef quality food right here from Brierley. And for all you seafood fans, they will have a shrimp shack. In this room will be some of Citizens' technical partners, as well as the ones that are dotted around the warehouse. So if you require a full turnkey solution, everyone is here under one roof. We have seen some really impressive machines, but what about this, the Hope HB916? And you can be in with a chance to win this, plus they're also giving away a Citizen watch each day. And all you have to do is attend. So we hope to see you here at the Citizen Open House. And don't forget, it's the Citizens Turning Centre of Excellence here at Brierley Hill.